What's up guys? Today we're going to be installing the new exhaust on the IS300 over there, Karina's car. On the other side it shows a logo, but we waited 2 months for this. It's an HKS exhaust and I'm so excited to hear how it sounds. I looked it up and this isn't the loudest one that comes with the IS300, but it's like a nice subtle tone. Instead of it just being super loud and drony, this one's more quiet. When you get higher into the RPMs then it starts getting more loud. So there should be an easy install, and let's get to it. How do you like it, babe?
It's pretty heavy.
Does it look nice?
It looks very nice.
Nice stainless steel. 2 hangers right there, so this is gonna be pretty easy. You're gonna have to put in the 2 hangers, and then there's 2 bolts up there, and it looks like 2 more hangers, and that'd be it. Tip is big and huge. Let's check out your original exhaust tip right now. Okay, so this is her original one. My fist can almost fit in it. Let's see how the other one does. Yep, my whole hand can fit in this one. So we're gonna jack up the IS300, and then we're gonna get to installing it. Kind of living on the dangerous side today because I only have 2 jacks, so I put 2 jacks on the side, and then the jack stand on this side, so hopefully it doesn't collapse on my head.
So I just finished opening the rest of the exhaust packaging. I took out all the little like fluffy packaging they put in there, and so far from what I can see, it's really nice. It's really shiny. Okay, so Chase is just finishing up taking out the bolts, right, babe?
Yep, babe.
And I can tell he's doing a lot of hard work for me, and I appreciate it. Then we'll get to put this one on. It's beautiful, and I can't wait to hear how it sounds. Oh my god. Okay, so Chase just got this exhaust off of my car.
Hey.
But when you look at it from here, this one looks a lot smaller, or at least a little smaller than the HKS one.
But when you put them up next to each other, they're the same thing. What? That's crazy. We gotta put this in without trying to get a scratch on it. So you're gonna have to tell me what this big, all right?
Okay.
Ew. This thing's huge.
That's what she said.
That's my Viagra kicking
in.
Ew.
No.
So, I've learned to not do the other side first and do this side first because I just made that mistake. And those rubber things are a pain to take off. So, might as well do it right the first time if y'all are doing this. Okay, so we've got 2 left. I think this is gonna go smoothly. Ah, yes! Okay, now just for the 2 bolts. So the original exhaust has a bolt like this, which has a spring, and it's so hard to get back on, so I recommend going to AutoZone and just picking up a regular bolt, and it works so much better. Now that everything is installed, it's time for the final test. The startup. So why don't you take off the foam. Okay, and then get the key to your car and let's see how it sounds. It looks pretty centered, and it's not touching any of the bumpers, so that's good. Ooh, that sounds nice. It's not too loud, it's just perfect. All right, so I'm gonna hop in the car and we're gonna see how loud this thing is when we hit the gas. So that's another video for the books, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. More videos on the IS300 are coming soon. And also, I want to start modding the MR2 again. And if you are new to the channel, check out those videos too, because that is a dope build. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.